So here we are with another package for video review. Not very well wrapped, I have to say, but I hope everything that was intended to come is here. So let's check it out. Oh wow, this is a telescopic ladder, 5 meters. Let's take a look right now. So the box was too big for this smaller box, but I think it can work. Let me check. Wow, it looks cool. Let's take a look at this instruction. So it can go from 2 meters to 4.7. Okay, the usual warnings, don't fall off. Safety symbols. This is how to operate the mechanism to lock it. You have to make sure it clicks. Click, click, click. So let's see. It comes with this nice clip so you can hold it up. So these are the hooks for the top. I believe they go in here. Yeah. So let's inspect the roof here in the house. So this is perfect. Look at that, how the hooks get there. You can secure it here against the wall. Just go up. Wow, this is nice. And this is perfectly secure, it's not going anywhere. And I can work from the roof. Pretty nice product, I have to say. And I might have a really good use for this in my house in Chile, because I have a loft that needs a ladder and I might be able to use this actually. Let's see. So I've been getting a lot of ads for roof replacement, but now thanks to my ladder I can inspect it here. It looks pretty good still. Maybe a few more years of this.